Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the TECKNET wireless rechargeable mouse. If you haven't checked out my last video, I unboxed this mouse. So this is a gaming one they do, and it's absolutely shit. I'll tell you that straight, unless I got a faulty one. Because this has like a, do you know how, what you call it? Controllers have stick drift. This has mouse drift. Also, when you do, so say I am going left to right. Instead of, so this is my mouse pointer, yeah, I'm going left to right with the mouse exactly like that, yeah. What's happening to the pointer is going like this, up and down while going left to right. So yeah, it's been very hard to game with this. It's definitely faulty or something, but I think it's mainly because of this. So the laser is in a weird position. It's like on a corner. I've never seen that before on a mouse. Normally they're in the middle. All my gaming mouses are in the middle. All my normal mouses are in the middle. I think that has something to do with that weird thing where it's going up and down. When I go left and right, the mouse is going up and down while going left and right. It's bloody weird. So yeah, this is gonna get returned, and yeah, it's not that good anyway, because the only thing that lights up is this bloody scroll wheel. There's no other lights. The light that seeps through these holes is very minimal. These buttons don't light up either. It shows on the picture it does, but they don't. So yeah, not impressed guys, not impressed. So that's why I bought this one instead. This is like a basic one, but this is rechargeable. That's the main reason I bought it, and it was cheap, and had good reviews, but so did this one, had good reviews. So I don't know, we'll see guys. Hopefully this doesn't stick drift or anything, but yeah, it's dirt cheap. So my last mouse was a TECKNET as well for my laptop, so this is basically the same but with a chargeable. So one headache I had with that mouse was I had to constantly change the batteries, and sometimes when the battery is low you won't even know. It'll still work, the mouse, it just won't work good, and you wouldn't have a damn clue. So you just have to switch out. So yeah, this one's a grey model. You can also get in black, but the grey one's on sale right now for $8.99. Okay, so I got this for free because I used Amazon voucher, so it didn't cost me anything. Same with that one, I got that for free as well, technically, because I use Amazon vouchers from doing surveys and stuff. Okay, let's pull this out. Okay, so it tells you, is that the cable? Yeah, that's a chunky cable, I like that. Oh yo. It's USB-C, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, that's a nice chunky cable. I can use that for normal charging of phones and stuff. So nothing else on this corner, and this is the mouse itself. Nice. That is tiny. Ooh, I do not like that. It's going to take some time for me to get used to that. It's got silent click, but it also feels very weird because it's like a soft click. Don't know how to describe it. This is a gaming one. Listen to this, and can you see it travels a lot further. This one's like a proper soft click, makes no noise at all. So yeah, I definitely have to get used to that if this mouse is all good. TECKNET, what's going on with your mouses, man? Can you not make one good mouse? There's your, there you go. That's in the middle, so hopefully it should be all good. Got the TECKNET USB-C plug, USB plug. There's your USB-C plug to charge it with. Oh yes, I'm really happy with that. And there you got battery connector there. Battery light. That should tell you how much battery you got. I'm gonna actually plug in. Let's see what this one's like. So let me take the other one out. That's the old one for this one. It looks exactly the same as this one. So let's now get them mixed up and send the wrong one back by accident. Hopefully it has enough charge. There you go, it's got some charge. Where's the battery indicator? It didn't say anything. No, it doesn't show any indication. I'm guessing when it's low it'll show up red or something. Alright, plugged it in now. Oh, let's see. Yes, wait. Let's go left to right. 1 second, guys. Oh, the mouse clicks are weird, man. I have to really get used to that. Okay, I'm gonna go left to right now. 1 second. Left, right. Yeah. No stick drift. Very minimal stick drift, if anything. Let me take the flash off. There you go. So I'm going left to right now. It's alright. Yeah, I can get used to that. But yeah, the only thing I'm gonna have to get used to is that soft click mouse button. Barely makes a damn sound. Let me actually show you the stick drift. Let me get the other one out. Put the gaming one in. Okay, gaming one. Switch this one on. Yeah. Obviously I don't play on the copy, I'm just showing you for now. Do you know what I mean? So right. So I'm gonna go left to right. Can you see? It can't go straight. It's going up to the left to the down. And I'm literally going left to right now. Same as before, so there's something wrong with this mouse. Either that laser's fucked or something's broken on it. Either it's defective or I don't know. You guys tell me, guys. But yeah, when I was gaming I was like, what the hell, I can't kill anyone with this. So I had to resort back to the trackpad, which is faulty as well. So yeah, I'm glad I got that new mouse then. So this one's gonna get returned. Turns out the cheap mouse is the one that works. Bloody crazy, that, innit? Alright, so this model is the TK-MS009. I'll have a link in the description. Grab it while it's on sale, cheap. Yeah, highly recommend this mouse. It will definitely take me a lot of time to get used to this clicking, but eventually I will. But yeah, it's a tiny mouse, very compact. Can't fault it at the moment. So yeah, and the good thing is that it's rechargeable, so I highly recommend it. Like yeah, I can't really fault it that much. There isn't really a fault with it, to be honest. It's just gonna take some time to get used to. That's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.